Hi, I'm Sandy Gentry with the Sandy Gentry team, Remax Lakeshore. I want to welcome you today to 10370 State Road in Nunica, Michigan. On over 60 acres, this beautiful custom designed and built home is in Spring Lake School District, and I cannot wait to show you inside. Let's take a look. Over 3,600 square feet in this open floor plan with a large master suite. It also has a front office and then open to this large great room, which incorporates the kitchen with exotic Cambria countertops, copper sink, double stainless steel oven, a 6-top gas range, and the 550 bottle wine cellar that's all temperature controlled. And I think I see my favorite wine in there. This home is an entertainer's dream with this covered patio, beautiful outdoor kitchen, the outdoor fire pit area, all overlooking the beautiful water views. For more information on this one-of-a-kind property, please contact the Sandy Gentry team at 616-935-1150.